You might want to stay away from looking at your 401k if you have one, if you're one of the Americans that does invest in the stock market. That's a minority, but there was a brutal sell-off on Wall Street today. The Dow falling more than 3% amid fears over inflation and misses on earnings from major retailers like Target. Let's bring in ABC News financial analyst Alexis Christoforous with more. Okay, Alexis, what's going on today? Break it down for us.
Oh my, what a really scary day when we see big drops like that. We got some disappointing results today from retail giants Target and Walmart, leading to that stunning sell-off we're seeing on Wall Street right now. So we had major retailers say that their profits were hurt by rising costs, sluggish sales, and those ongoing supply chain disruptions. Take Target, for instance, sinking nearly 30% today after posting an earnings miss. Target is now on track for its worst one-day performance since the stock market crash in 1987. Walmart down another 6.5% after yesterday's 11% drop, after reporting that it too is getting squeezed by higher food prices and other rising costs. And also, to throw things in the mix and keep it interesting, the home improvement retailer Lowe's saying that sales also weaker than expected this spring. So this bad news, Terry, from the nation's largest retailers has now renewed worries for investors, for Wall Street, that the economy could indeed be headed for a recession.
Oh, great. The R word. So,
Yeah.
Alexis, where do things go from here, do you think?
I think that's the big question, and lots of folks just don't know. What we do know is that the Federal Reserve is promising those aggressive interest rate hikes. We're expecting at least 2 more 50% hikes in rates over the summer months as they try to rein in inflation. We're also seeing that investors are worried that, inflation may not have peaked. We were talking just a few weeks ago about maybe it's hit that height, but the fact that big box retailers like Walmart and Target are starting to see sales soften means that consumers may start to be pulling back. And we know that consumers have sort of been the pillar of this economy. They've been spending despite high inflation. That may be starting to change, Terry.
And Alexis, we talked a lot about market volatility after the Federal Reserve decided to raise interest rates. How worried is the Fed about the market at this point? How does that, do you think, determine the Fed's decision-making?
They certainly can't ignore it, and one of their mandates is to make sure that the market remains stable and also to make sure that inflation isn't out of hand. They are in a very, very tough situation. They're watching all of this. They know that higher rates could lead to pain in the shorter term, but they think it's better for the economy in the longer term.
All right, Alexis, thanks very much, and let's hope for better days ahead.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.